Good morning and welcome to another unedited day in the life. Made my chai. I got up and kind of got ready for the day because it's actually a busy day. I have a meeting in about an hour and then we're gonna go out and shoot some content this afternoon for a campaign that we're working on. So it should be a lot of fun. It's also supposed to be like 30 degrees out today, super hot. So we'll see how we do in the heat. Olsen also has soccer for like the first time since the restrictions have been lifted. So we are so excited. So that's happening this afternoon as well. So a lot of good stuff. This morning I'm making Olsen some oatmeal. This is one of our favorites. I picked it up at Sobeys. Oh, I'm gonna burn it. I always do this. Ah! This is why I'm not a cook. Okay, we're fine. We're fine. Can you make a taco with your tongue? I can. You were doing it yesterday. Almost.
Where's me? Marshall ready to go. This is Bubble and Marshall. This is Marshall right here.
Where is Chase? Ryder? Is he on there?
I don't think he's on there. There's Ryder right there.
Oh, cool. Where's Marshall?
We're here.
Oh, wow.
He's a big dog.
He is.
And Bubble got a little tail.
He does. Who's your favorite? Who's your favorite doggy? Do you have a favorite or you love them all?
Bubble.
Rubble on the double. Here is Olsen's quick little breakfast for the day. I always add the same things pretty much to like his oatmeal and yogurt, hemp hearts, chia seeds. Sometimes I'll add a little bit of granola, but I have blueberries in here, cherries in here, and then oatmeal. Are you ready to eat? Okay. Usually try and like empty the dishwasher and get like the kitchen ready kind of for the day before Olsen wakes up, just because it makes life easier, but I didn't have time. So I'm gonna empty the dishwasher, put some stuff away, kind of clean up breakfast, and then we will get ready for the day. Put this one down there. Great day today. Here, can you put this down with your forks?
Sure. In here?
Yes, please.
Back to the bedroom.
Hey. Good, how are you? That's good.
Look.
Bye, guys.
two seasons in Alberta, Olsen. Winter and construction season.
And you're not wrong about that. It's been a little bit of a crazy morning. We've had people coming in the house to work on renos, meetings, trying to get Oli ready for the day, but now we are going out to shoot a little campaign. So we're gonna go, I don't know, to one of our favorite sort of like walking path areas in the city. And it is a hot one today. It's gonna be like 30 degrees. I think I already mentioned that.
You must be excited about it.
I keep mentioning it because I'm just like shocked. Like if you live in Alberta, like we don't get many days like this. But
especially before my birthday.
Yeah, no kidding. What's the date today? It's like June 2nd.
The 2nd of June, 30 degrees.
Do you have a birthday?
Nope.
How old are you gonna be?
What?
How old are you gonna be?
I'm gonna be the same, I'm gonna be the same age as the temperature.
30 degrees?
Yeah, 30 years old for the second time.
Yeah.
So Lynds wasn't feeling the bridge vibes, so we needed a plan B. So I just started going down this path, and I think I found a little path to get to the water. We got an 8-month pregnant mama here, and it's a little steep, so we'll see how we do.
Good job. We made it to the water, and it was worth the little hike down. It is such a beautiful day. I am so excited. I'm right here. You see that water? Is it cold?
Man, the river is like super mellow.
Yeah, that's a good thing. Okay, so we just finished shooting. Now we're trying to get back up. We thought we could like walk the beach all along the way, but we can't. It's a little bit too deep, so I don't know. A little too dangerous.
We're going that hole.
No.
Yeah.
No, we're not gonna go over there, okay? A little too dangerous. You stay with Mama. Bless you.
I go to the water.
Just stay back, okay? It's a little too muddy. Oh my goodness, the things we're getting ourselves into today. Dad is getting very muddy. Dad's getting...
My choice. Okay, I'm out.
Oh, babe? Do you want help?
I hate these sandals.
Just take them off. Say goodbye to those sandals.
Say goodbye to my feet.
A little bit of time has passed since we vlogged. It's just been a little crazy, but we are here ready to take Olsen to his very first little like soccer practice. I honestly don't even know what they're doing. They're probably just gonna run around, maybe kick a ball or two. Are you ready for soccer? Are you ready for soccer? It's actually Josh's jersey when he was about Olsen's age and living in Scotland. It's so cute, but I actually think he gets like an actual soccer jersey from the program. So anyways, we'll see. That was like way too hard to vlog and play soccer with Olsen and do all the drills. But I'll try and, if I haven't already, insert like some clips I just took on my phone. It was pretty cute though. Like the kids are all 2 years old and just running around, and they didn't really play soccer. They're just basically running around, but that's fine. Anyways, I should have showed you like our dinner, but honestly this is like the first thing I've eaten today, which is so not like me. But we have just been on the go all day, so I'll show you what's left. It's not very much. We ended up getting famoso. That's all that's left. And yeah. Yep, there's some salad here. How was soccer, Olsen? Pretty good? Did you have fun? You did so good. I actually can't believe I'm like 8 months pregnant. It's gone by so fast. But one funny thing about this pregnancy compared to my last one is that when I was pregnant with Olsen, I like could not eat salad at all. Like even to this day, kale is like no go for me. Just was not my thing. This pregnancy though, all I want is salad. Like, and I'm not trying to say that in a way like, oh, health queen. No, like I just want like salads. It's so bizarre. I'm not even a salad person, but like literally this is like my 3rd helping of salad because I just want salad. It's so weird. I'm not sure if I mentioned this in the last vlog or not, but we don't know what we're having. It's gonna be a surprise. I think it's a boy, because I just feel like with Olsen, like I'm just such a boy mom that having a girl, like it's hard to like imagine that now. I don't know, I just feel like it's a boy, and I would love for Olsen to have a brother. But honestly, I'm honestly happy with whatever. It's gonna be what it's gonna be, so we're just excited. It'll be a fun little surprise. Are you cuddling, Henry? Henry definitely puts up with Olsen a lot, but they're best friends. It is Olsen's bedtime and pretty much my bedtime. It's like 8 o'clock. That's usually when Olsen goes to bed. Honestly, man, that soccer just tired me out. Like chasing Olsen around. It was hot out. Ay, ay, ay. Anyways, I'm gonna put him down, and then should I show you how messy our house is? Maybe I will. It's a disaster. We've had people working on it all day today. I mean, obviously we're doing Renos, so we have people working on it all the time, but just some stages are messier than others, and I feel like this might be one of those stages. Is Marshall your favorite?
I watch Marshall.
Yeah, you just watch Marshall and Paw Patrol. Okay, let's go in your crib, okay? Can you say good night?
Good night.
Good night. Okay, so Olsen's down for a nap. I haven't touched anything. This is the reality of living with a toddler in a renovation. It's got my lovely shop vac here. Obviously Olsen has been playing with his toys, so gotta clean that up. Not much has really changed, I don't think, since the last time I vlogged. It is what it is. Have this lovely situation happening. Josh actually just got home from Costco, so that's why the kitchen is a little bit of a mess. But yeah, this is like the reality. The floors are a mess, always. We wear shoes in the house now because when it comes to doing like drywall and taking walls down, it gets so dusty. It's crazy. Oh, I'll show you the downstairs. I don't know if I showed this last time, but we are getting our cords for our TV like hidden behind the wall, and we had drywallers come in today and patch everything up. That's why we have this fan going here to dry all the mudding that they did. Yeah, this is it. This is supposed to be Olsen's like chill zone play area. Yeah, not so much. Okay, so I've cleaned up the kitchen as best I can. We have more stuff happening tomorrow for the house reno, so things are gonna get dusty, but of course I kind of had to sweep. It just, the clean freak in me, it's just a lot. So this is pretty much as good as it gets in terms of a clean kitchen around here. Tidied everything up, and then I swept the floors, didn't wash them. This stuff I'm leaving here because I need to do unboxings. And then I put all Olsen's toys away. This is for all the workers tomorrow. And that's that. Anyways, it's like 11:30 now. I am beat. I'm gonna go to bed. I think Josh is like already maybe in bed. I hope you guys are enjoying these. If you want to see anything else from me, let me know.